Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is a follow-up. I was in this place a few months ago where I visited a place known as Divine Shoe Manufacturing. This is a Zambian born and bred company which is really making waves. It will shock you. Today's video is a little bit not very different, but just a follow-up of what happened last time. I took you on a factory tour. I spoke to the founder of this company, and today I'm back to ask him a few questions. Are you ready for this one, guys? Okay, let's dive right into the video, and here is the man behind the Divine Shoe Manufacturing. Mr. Benard Mwanda, welcome back, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's been a long time.
Yes, indeed.
Wow. So I've really been longing to come and visit you to see what is happening, because I heard and saw there are some changes happening in this company. Tell us more. What is happening?
Thank you. Yes, we are moving from one step to another. As you know, every 1,000 miles, that's one step. Yes, we are really introducing new shoes on the market. We have managed to opening 3 outlets.
Your name, please?
My name is 𝙏𝙖𝙧 𝙁𝙤𝙧.
Wow. Okay, so you are in this branch of Divine Shoe Manufacturing called the Mandev branch. I can see your shop is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very beautiful, very clean.
Thank you.
A lot of shoes.
Yes.
Tell me, what is your point? What do you say? What is your comment about the kind of products you are selling here?
Okay. My point of view for the products that we have is that these are very good products, very affordable, and to make it more nice, this is something local. Yes. So local businesses, they also add to the GDP of the country. So yes, people should come and support design.
I love that. I like that. They also support our own GDP. Okay, then why do you think people should come and buy shoes from here? Why should people come and buy Divine Shoe Manufacturing?
Right. So Divine Shoes, our shoes are very strong. So compared to those that you get for 25 kwacha, those will finish before the term even ends. Those will finish, but these can last for at least 2-3 years. They will last
you a little bit of some time.
It helps you to save on money. Because they're affordable and strong. Therefore, they live for a very long time.
Okay, so that is why people should buy the Divine Shoe Manufacturing.
Yes, they are not only cheap and strong, but also they are fancy.
They are fancy as well.
Yes.
And they are genuine leather.
Yes.
So if people, so you are convinced that people should buy shoes from your company, isn't it?
Yes, definitely. They
so
should.
are you motivated? Are you happy to work for this company? Are you happy to see this company move to another level?
Yes, very
Are you
much.
proud of this Zambian product, or you would have preferred to be selling some cheaper imported footwear?
No. I'm very confident about this because this is something local, and I would love to push something that is local so that it can reach even internationally.
Okay.
At least we can be able to supply shoes.
Now I want you to look through this camera and tell the people who are watching, tell them to come and buy from your company.
Alright, so to the listeners and the viewers, I call upon you to come and get our shoes here. They're really good. Very good quality and affordable. So please do not travel all around the world just to find good shoes. Come here, Divine Shoe Manufacturing Company. We have what you need.
Wow. Okay. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure talking to you. I'll see you soon, because when I hear there's a new product, I'll come back again and market it for you.
Please, you're welcome. Thank you so much.
Okay. Those are some of the new things which are happening. Last time there was no outlet. Actually, there was only your orders were only coming through direct from the factory. So it means there are also some outlets out there this time.
Yes, we want to reach out to our clients wherever they are. So we have embarked on a project to open outlets in major cities, starting from Lusaka, then we'll go to Belt.
Wow.
And spread to all 10 provinces.
That is very, very encouraging, because that was my major. In case, but there are a few people who had like missed the first, those who didn't watch the first video. I would like you to like just briefly, just very brief. I don't want this video to be very long, because I've made up my mind that every major step you make, I'll be coming back to inform the people and the clientele out there about what is happening. Just briefly, very brief, I want you to tell us briefly how you started this company, because many people, this is a major project they wouldn't like to, like an ordinary person to start.
Okay, thank you. Now, sometime back, sure that was in 2018, I was awarded a tender by one of the NGOs to supply school shoes to their school-going children. I had to look for a company where I could have my shoes made in Zambia. There was none, and I had to buy my shoes outside the country. And when I went to one of our neighbors to have my order made, I was exposed to their factory. And I convinced myself that even us in Zambia, we can come up with such factories and make shoes that can be appreciated by everyone.
Wow. So that is a very inspiring story. You felt you could also manufacture.
Exactly.
Yes, and start supplying them directly.
Exactly. So it wasn't easy, but we started buying second machines one by one until we came up with a set that can produce a
At
shoe
least something.
from the beginning to the finishing.
I bought a pair of shoes early this year when we were opening, when schools were opening. I bought a pair of shoes for my daughter school. At first, I was almost, as much as I know it is very genuine, we produce genuine leather shoes. The lining inside confused me. I almost thought maybe it was clothing material, it was just fake, but it was not, it was actually leather. Anyway, I just enjoyed it. I want you to briefly tell the people once again the kind of shoes you manufacture here.
Thank you. At the moment, we are manufacturing 4 types of shoes. School shoes,
Yes.
security shoes, safety boots, and ladies' boots.
Wow.
Also, we have embarked on making smart shoes.
Oh, smart shoes are also one of your new.
Yes, yes, and our shoes are 100% leather. They are very strong and affordable. Once you buy shoes from Divine Shoe Manufacturing, you are sure you're getting a strong shoe, something that will match the value for your money.
Wow. Now, tell me one thing, because I have seen why a person, yes, okay, you've partially answered the question, whereby it is the people get the real value for their money when they buy a pair of shoes from here. Tell me the difference. From where we are here in the Kamwala area, I can move literally 3 minutes from here. I'll get a shoe which is probably half of what you are selling, and yet I have bought such shoes before. I buy a shoe and under 1 week it's gone.
Yes, here we are, it's very possible. You know, you can walk to 1 or 2 shops, you find a very cheap shoe. The shoe that will last you for a week. You know? And if you come to Divine Shoe Manufacturing, you know, twice of what you are spending for that shoe, you get a stronger shoe that will last you more than a year. A shoe that you won't give you problems. So when you get shoes from us, in short, you are saving.
So in short, is that a reason why I want you to tell the people why? So is that the reason why I should encourage people to buy shoes from this factory, from Divine Shoe Manufacturing? is the durability of the shoe one of the reasons why people should buy from you?
Okay, thanks very much. You know, we've been, over years, we've been subjected to inferior types of shoe. You know, here we are.
Yes.
We have a shoe, and we bet you to get our shoe, you'll never regret it. Because we make sure that when you get the shoe, you forget about getting a shoe until your child go to another grade and pass it over to another one. And in that line, we will save. And what we want is to support us, and this issue of buying shoes every month will be the thing of the past.
Okay, and now, so being an indigenous Zambian, you are an indigenous Zambian who started something from the scratch. Definitely, because there are not many people who are like you who have started the company from the scratch. Definitely, it comes with a lot of challenges, or few challenges, but challenges are there. What are some of the challenges you have encountered as a company, as a startup of this company?
Okay, to start off, the main challenges that we have encountered, one of them is the startup capital. You know, the capital, we don't have enough capital. And second one, most of our materials come from outside the country. And whenever our currency depreciates, the cost of production also goes up. And you know, it's not easy for us to adjust our prices regularly upward, looking at our current situation.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the major challenge that we are facing.
Okay, so it is also, so when like there's when the kwacha loses value, so it means even the cost of raw material goes up. So that is one of the...
Exactly, because we have to use forex for us to acquire the raw material from outside.
Now, for example, because government plays a major role in this, how do you think government can come in to support people like you?
Okay, we thank God for New Dawn, because there are some pronouncements of empowering indigenous Zambians, or those who are into manufacturing entrepreneurship.
Wow.
And you know, we are off that the government would come with a deliberate policy, especially by reducing excise duty, even to 0%, you know, for those materials which are involved into manufacturing. Because I can assure you, sir, if we embark into manufacturing, you know, this issue of kwacha depreciating will come a thing of the past.
It will not be there.
No.
Now, apart from that, who can buy shoes from you? Sometimes people would doubt. So I want the people to know, apart from who can buy shoes from you, and then you also combine it with like who are your major clients so far?
Okay. Our major clients are the security companies, construction companies, NGOs that support school-going children. And let me take this opportunity to announce to NGO that we have the package for them, because those they are donating those shoes to the vulnerable, and we have a very good package for them. Yes, which will give a concession whenever they give us a very good order. Yes, individuals, they are welcome to buy, and I'm sure everyone is able to come and get our shoes from.
How does it make you? From the last time I was here, there were a few things, like you mentioned, you have done some changes. One of the changes has been a little bit of, okay, let me say this, some expansion. We toured together, you took me around on one of the shops which is in Mandevu. I was really impressed by what I saw. So how does it make you feel? And where are you seeing yourself, say, in the coming few, say 5 years from now? Where do you see Divine Shoe Manufacturing going?
Okay. So actually, me, I believe that every negative opportunity creates a positive opportunity. You know, because of COVID, you know, we didn't want clients to frequent our place, and we thought of following them by taking shoes closer to their doorsteps.
Wow.
Yes, the reason why we backed on creating outlets.
Wow.
So we have really gone an extra mile by taking shoes to our clients where they are. So that's the major change that we have made since you came.
And then, so in the next 5 years, where do we see Divine Shoe Manufacturing?
In the next 5 years, Divine Shoe Manufacturing will be a household name.
It must be a household name, definitely.
Exactly.
Because if in a few months' time, you could expand this much,
Exactly.
what more 5 years? Honestly,
I'm sure by then we will have presence in all parts of the country, and we intend to go to our neighboring countries.
yes, that is a good thing. One of the reasons I'm really passionate about this whole thing is because why I've been following up on you is because you are Zambian. So anything that is becoming Zambian, it really motivates me, it encourages me. Do you think Zambians can make it in many industries? Like for example, you are in the shoe industry. Do you think as Zambians can manage to do a lot of businesses?
Yes, it's very possible. Zambians are very strong people. They are good people.
Yeah.
We just have to trust in ourselves to support what is Zambians.
Good.
Let's support a Zambian when they are doing something. And for sure, if those people, they do it in our country, everything will remain in our country. They will create employment. They will support the GDP of this nation. And together we are going to develop our nation.
Wow. Before you take me briefly, because I've seen the men downstairs, the men and the ladies, I think I saw a lady somewhere. I also want, before I could take a clip of what is happening, briefly tell me how do you motivate your people, your manpower, your workforce, to still be coming? Because a few months ago I found them. Yeah. Today again I have found them.
Okay, yes, I do motivate them by giving them their money in good time. Also, when we have good orders, I give them something like gifts. I always attend to their needs as they are alive.
Okay. I'm very, very impressed, sir, but before we could finish this, are you able to take me again one more time, just to take a few? I want to check a few pairs of shoes. Even they are incomplete shoes, I want to see them before the incomplete ones, before they are complete.
That's not a problem.
Okay, sir, let's please do. Thank you. Have you noticed the coughing you are doing? Yeah, I also did the same one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what we... I love the angle. I want to talk to this lady. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay.
What is your name, please?
I'm Sandra.
Sandra, what are you doing? I can see you are working.
I'm actually polishing the shoes and making them neat. Just to make sure everything is all set.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm seeing the shoes are looking really good. Do you enjoy working among the men
Yes, I enjoy
who are very experienced in what they do?
Because I'm learning.
You are learning a lot from
I'm
them.
learning a lot from them.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. And then, okay, let me see what this man is doing. So, boss, finish chitika up.
Hapa finish chitika hapa. Tuende kama click up.
Nge vita for mu benshi.
Ukunasha mukati ndo washimbiri.
Enshimbiri otwale umfuativeta tishanidya. Twale ita pumembwa. Also, this is any processing.
Processing.
Aha.
Process.
Okay. Ooh. Nice. Oh, takuli ukumuchena mulanda kutira kakalepera ko ka comfort. Okay. Nice. Oh, then glue. Wow. Okay.
Hii ya kujatisha kumona hapa bam hapa.
Aha.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So here what is happening?
What is happening now? This is now the sewing department.
Okay.
Is now putting the patterns together.
Oh.
All the pieces that after they are being cut, come in now to be joined together.
Oh, so he's sewing them using this machine. So this machine is not same like Iriatera. What is?
This is an industrial. So.
Oh, not the one which they make our clothes.
No. This is made for
Leather.
leather.
So Taikontoka Antoine, it doesn't break the needle.
No,
It's because it is meant.
Even the needle is meant for this.
Oh, for the okay, it's not the one, the soft one. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay, very good. And then what happens here? Just briefly. They are knives.
Yes, pattern knives.
Oh, they are for a particular pattern.
Exactly. So each pattern should have a knife inside it. When cutting the leather, we use these knives. Then you take it to a cutting machine, which is this one.
Okay. Which is this one?
No, this is the cutting.
Oh, the cutting machine somewhere. Oh, I see. Okay.
So you put the material like
Okay. And then it cuts.
okay. Imagine we have machines.
Oh, it will be there to cut a specific. So they also come in
They
sizes.
come inside.
Ah, great. All right.
You want
Ah.
to see a sample?
Maybe, but it will be necessary. I don't want them to cut an unnecessary piece. It's better I watch here. It's like I want to see the next step, what will happen here.
So from here it goes now to sewing.
From here it goes to that man there now on the machine to sew it. Wow.
After he sews, when he finishes, it comes inside. From here, when anything that is sewn,
Ipwire kota pale. Ili fe flat. Oh, ili ukulindi. Oh, after sewing, it will look something like this. And it doesn't look nice. You can get scared.
Yes.
You think that it has finished.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. When it comes, it is from there. They put something which they call counter. Yes. This is the counter.
Oh, I see. This is the one which made me scared. When I bought a shoe for my daughter, I saw this. In an Aloresha Mukati, so I was like, but this is not leather. But I forgot that this one is just comfort. The leather is this one.
Exactly.
It also gives comfort. Okay, nice. So here what is happening now? When it comes, okay, I know, I've now noticed. So this one, the sewing is what was happening on that machine. And then here, so here what happens?
When it comes here now, he has to put into a block the mold.
Oh, the mold now. Oh, okay.
Like what he's doing.
Okay.
Now putting into a shape.
A shape. Nice.
So it lasts.
Ah. Haha. Wow. Ah. Ooh. I like the shape and here very smooth. So shape the shape is out now. Wow, nice. Okay.
Not from that ugly thing.
Yes, that ugly thing which was scaring me. It looks so different. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So from here then it goes to another stage now.
Here now.
Oh, so this is where now it comes there now where I was watching. This is where now, oh, this one is put. Okay, then from here, oh. Okay, so it goes to that place now. This glue must be very special. So this is the situation. So that's why this metal thing is where when you are in the industry, for example,
Yes.
I can imagine maybe it's
Nails were stony.
especially bricklayers, maybe a piece of block would drops on what your feet are safe. And this one is happening in Zambia.
Yes,
Right here in Zambia. Why shouldn't people
right outside.
imagine?
You complain that dollars gone up.
Dollar has gone up. What kind of thing is
Want
this?
Zambians to do it for themselves. We have the capacity.
So can you see, this one is being done by Zambians, ordinary Zambians. Guys, it is your time to start supporting this industry. Take a look. Let's see how the shape will come out finally.
This is pure ready. With the ones we get.
Yes,
Some of the shops.
because some of the shops, the material we get is actually this one, what we are calling the comfort.
Yes.
It's like this is what they call leather, other places. This one, which is just... Oh. So these shoes being manufactured now, do they have an immediate order, or these are also waiting to just go and display in one of the outlets, or these are already... Wow. Hey, and this is so smooth. Wow, and then no wrinkles. Again, this one. So it means even when you are walking, there is that shape which comes out of wrinkles. So it means this one will also not come out with wrinkles. And then there's a Vitafoam inside, which makes it more comfortable. Oh, so now, so this one is just waiting to go, and now, so it's the finishing part, which will be the sole. Oh, so these are the finished products. Okay, nice. I'll come back again soon. I will not even announce. I'll just give you a call that I'm coming. You want to know that I've carried the camera.
You're more than welcome, sir. Anytime.
Okay, so I will see you in the next video. So what can I tell the people now? I want you to have a word for the people, the clients who are supposed to come and buy from you. Their final word for them.
Hello, out there. We are inviting you to come and get our shoes. We assure you, once you buy shoes from Divine Shoe Manufacturing, you never regret, and you use it until you get tired. Support us so that we build our economy.
Wow.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, that's all I had for you today in today's video at Divine Shoe Manufacturing. So this is the part of the factory. See how beautiful it looks from the upward. This is briefly what is happening. Yeah, when they have some order. So we'll see you in the next video. So we know we are promoting, we are one Zambia, one nation. Together we can make Zambia a great nation and make this world a better place. See you in the next video. Peace.